Come to the factory today to see a machine. Just this double-headed bag-in-a-box filling machine by my side. It's equipped with this conveyor assembly line. This bag-in-a-box filling machine is specially designed for this kind of bag-in-a-box. And look at the intensity. It won't explode if you step on it, unless it was hit by a hard object. Then let's take a look at its actual filling process. What about when filling? We need labor. Cut this bag to this station. Cut it to the workstation and click start. Then it automatically pulls the bag, and this is now vacuuming. After vacuuming, it fills the material. Okay, automatic lag after filling is completed. After unplugging this bag, then he just fell down automatically. Then follow the conveyor. There's this delivery. You don't need us to move it around manually. Because this is 20 liters per bag, it must be tiring to move around manually. Then come over here. We designed the packing mechanism. After the packing box is in place, this packing platform will automatically tilt. The bag will fall into the packing box. After manually checking the bag, it can be pushed to the sealing machine to automatically seal the box. This completes the whole packaging process. The whole process only requires manual simple assistance, greatly reduce the labor intensity of the packaging process. Let's take a look at this machine again. Several special components. First, let's look at the top tank. This is a sealed constant pressure tank. Avoid things like a normal open tank during the filling process, because the material level fluctuates, causing a decrease in filling accuracy, and it can fully fill out the remaining material. Avoid waste of raw materials. In addition, let's take a look. The filling nozzle and cap pulling mechanism of this machine. A lid plate is installed under this filling nozzle. Avoid material dripping onto the bag mouth during the filling process. In addition, this cap pulling mechanism is the core of the core. The packaging process needs to pull the lid off and pull the lid off, and press the lid tightly after filling. The process of capping requires higher accuracy. If you don't do well, the lid cannot be pulled out when working, or the lid cannot be pressed firmly. Take a look at this roller platform again, made a liftable design. Cooperate with the lower conveyor. You can transport the filled bag to the past.